Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the problem. The given problem is from the given figure find the value of sin B, secant B, cot B and cos C, tan C and cosecant C. Right? We need to find these 6 values. The first 3 values refer the angle B, sin B, secant B and cot B. The remaining 3 values refer the angle C, cos C, tan C and cosecant C. Now we will refer the diagram. We will refer the diagram here. So these are 2 triangles are available here. ABD is the one triangle. Another one is ACD. Both are right angle triangles only. Right? So first 3 value we have to refer this angle B. Remaining 3 value we have to refer this angle C. Right? So in this the values are given. This green color values are already given. 13 and 5 is given. And 16 is given. These blue color values we need to find. Right? So AB is given as 13 units. BD is given as 5 units. CD is given as 16 units. Right? So this AD is not given. AC also not given. So first refer the triangle ABD, because while calculating the sin theta, secant theta we need 3 values. We know that. So the angle B is available, mean opposite to that of angle B is the opposite side. AD is the opposite side. Then this BD is the adjacent side. Then AB is the hypotenuse. So we need all these 3 values while calculating with the refer to the angle B. So opposite to that of angle B is AB. AD is the opposite side. BD is the adjacent side. AB is the hypotenuse. While referring the angle C, so opposite to that of angle C, this AD is the opposite side. This CD is the adjacent side. AC is the hypotenuse. Right? So we need all these 3 values. Opposite side, this opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. For this triangle, opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. So these 2 values we need to find. Right? So by knowing these 3 values only we can able to find the sin theta or cos C. These values can be calculated. First refer the triangle ABD. For the triangle ABD. First refer ABD. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, this ABD is nothing but this AD square plus BD square equal to AB square. We know the Pythagoras theorem. So AD square plus BD square equal to AB square. But what we need is AD. So bring this BD that side. So that AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. Right? You take the square root on both the sides. So AD equal to square root of AB square minus BD square. AB value is known. AB is nothing but AB is 13 square. Then BD also known. BD is 5 units. 5 square. 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square is 169. 5 square is 25. So square root of 169 minus 25. That is square root of 144. That is square root of 144 is 12. So the AD value is 12. So we calculated the AD value. That is nothing but opposite side of angle B is 12 units by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now we know these 2 values are available now. For the angle, for the triangle ACD, now initially only one value we know. Now we calculated this 12 also. By using this 12 and 16 we can able to find the remaining value 20. Right? So we have to refer the triangle ACD. Right? Now refer the triangle ACD. So that ACD, by using the Pythagoras theorem, what is the value? AC square equal to AD square plus CD square or DC square. Right? So AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. But we need this AC square only. Right? So AC only. So take square root on both sides. So AC equal to square root of AD square plus DC square. Right? So this AC square, this hypotenuse equal to AD square plus DC square. From that AC equal to square root of AD square plus DC square. Now we will substitute the value. This AD is nothing but 12 units. What we calculated now, this AD is 12 units plus DC is given as 16 units. These 16 units are given. So 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256. So while adding it is square root of 400. That is AC, while taking square root is 20. So AC equal to 20. Now we calculated the AC also. Now we know all the values are now able, now all the values are now calculated. Now refer the diagram. So this value is now 20. Initially this 13, 5, 16 is given. From 13 and 5, 12 is calculated. From 12 and 16, 20 is now calculated. Now we need to calculate the angles. First three angles refer B, sin B, secant B, cot B. Remaining three refers C, cos C, tan C, cosecant C. So first three value we have to refer the angle AB, triangle ABD. Remaining three we have to refer the triangle ACD. Right. First refer the triangle ABCD, AB, ABD. Right. From this, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is 12. Adjacent side is 5. Hypotenuse is 13. Right. While referring this triangle ACD, opposite side is 12. Adjacent side is 16. Hypotenuse is 20. Now we'll see that. So from triangle ABD, opposite side is AD, that is equal to 12. Adjacent side of angle B is BD, that is equal to 5. Hypotenuse is AB, that is equal to 13. Right? So now we know the all three values. Opposite side 12, adjacent side 5, hypotenuse 13. So by using that we can able to calculate the first three values by referring the angle B. Right? So sin B equal to opposite side of angle B divided by hypotenuse of angle B. That is nothing but AD divided by AB. So that is equal to 12 by 13. Secant B equal to hypotenuse of angle B divided by adjacent side of angle B. Hypotenuse is AB, adjacent side is BD. AB divided by BD, that is 13 divided by 5. Then cot B equal to adjacent side of angle B divided by opposite side of angle B. That is BD divided by AD. 5 divided by 12. Right. So the sin B is the reciprocal ratio, basic reciprocal ratio. The secant B and cot B is the sin B is the normal basic trigonometric ratio. These two are reciprocal ratios. Secant B is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So that we got this hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Cos means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Cot B means adjacent side by opposite side. Now we calculated the three values. First three values referring the angle B. Now we'll calculate the remaining three values referring the angle C. For the triangle ACD, opposite side of angle C is AD, that is equal to 12 units. Adjacent side of angle C is CD, that is 16 units. Hypotenuse of angle C is AC, that is 20 units. We already discussed in the triangle. From the triangle, these three values are written. Opposite side AD 12 units, adjacent side CD 16 units, hypotenuse AC 20 units. Now we will calculate the value. Cos C. Cos C equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of angle C divided by hypotenuse of angle C. That is CD divided by AC. 16 divided by 20 is 4 divided by 5. By simplifying 4 divided by 5. No need to go for further simplification. You no need to convert into decimal. If you are interested, we can convert into decimal. Right? So cos C equal to 4 by 5. We will find the remaining two values. Tan C and cosecant C. Right? Tan C equal to opposite side of angle C divided by adjacent side of angle C. This is reciprocal of the cot theta. Cot theta, what we calculated, cot B, adjacent side by opposite side. So tan C is opposite side by adjacent side. AD divided by CD, 12 divided by 16, that is 3 divided by 4. Then cosecant theta is not cosecant theta, is cosecant C. Cosecant C equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. This is nothing but this is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So cosecant C is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. AC divided by AD. 20 divided by 12, that is 5 divided by 3. Right? So this cos theta is the basic trigonometric ratio. Tan theta also, tan C also basic trigonometric ratio. Cosecant C is reciprocal ratio. Reciprocal. Cosecant C is the reciprocal of sin C. Right? Now we calculated all 6 values. So in this problem, the diagram is given that contain 2 triangles. Referring the 2 triangle with angle B and angle C. By using angle B, we calculated first 3 values. By angle C, we calculated remaining 3 values. By referring the first triangle, we calculated the third value. By referring this third value and another value is given, we calculated the remaining value in the second triangle. Right? So the missing values are calculated using Pythagoras theorem. After calculated, we come to know all the values, opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse, both for the triangle 1 and triangle 2. By using that, we calculated all 6 values. First 3 values refer angle B, remaining 3 values refer angle C. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.